Hi friends, here we are given this function f of x equal to a power x minus a power minus x by a power x plus a power minus x. You need to find the inverse of this function. To find inverse, firstly, this function, whatever it is there, it should be 1, 1. Right, only 1, 1 functions will have inverse. Otherwise, it will not have inverse. Right, if a function is onto, for two different values of x, there is same y, then if you try to calculate inverse, for the same x, you will get two different y's, which is not possible. So a function has to be 1, 1 first, then only we can find the inverse. What is 1, 1? A function that is continuously increasing or continuously decreasing. Then only the function is 1, 1. For example, the graph can be something like this. Then no two x values will have the same y value if it is continuously increasing or similarly continuously decreasing. Then only the function is 1, 1. Right. For example, if the function is something like this, then this x, these two will have the same value. For two different x's, it's x at 1, x at 2, will have the same value of y, which is not possible. Right. So inverse exists only when this function is 1, 1, that is continuously increasing or decreasing. First, let us try to simplify this. A power x minus a power minus x. A power minus x we can write as 1 by a power x. Right. Then this becomes 2 a power 2x minus 1 by a power 2x plus 1. So, for example, we can write this like this. A power x minus 1 by a power x, which is nothing but 2 into a power x into a power x, that is a power x plus x, a power 2x minus 1 by a power 2x plus 1. So now we can clearly see this numerator is always 2 lesser than denominator. Now this will simplify to a power 2x minus 1 by a power 2x plus 1 if we write it like this. Right. Now what is our goal? Our goal is to express x in terms of y. Okay, so we have a power 2x in the numerator and the denominator also. Let us try to simplify further to get x in terms of y. So let's do y minus 1 by y plus 1. And then in the numerator, these two will get cancelled. We will be left with minus 2. In the denominator, this minus 1, this plus 1 will get cancelled. We will be left with 2a power 2x. Okay, so what does that mean? Um, if we just invert this word, then this and this minus a power 2x or a power 2x will be 1 plus 5 y by 1 minus y because there's a minus here, right? So what does that mean? If we take log on both sides, 2x log a to the base a will be equal to log 1 plus y by 1 minus y, right? This will be equal to 1. So x will be equal to half of log a, log 1 plus y by 1 plus 1 minus y to the base a. So now this, instead of y, we can replace this with x, and that is the final function, right? That is the inverse. So how do we calculate inverse? We equate this to some y and then try to express x in terms of y. Now, first, for the inverse to exist, this function, original function, should be continuously increasing or continuously decreasing. That means it has to be 1, 1. Now, this function, like we discussed, the numerator is always 2 less than the denominator, whatever a power 2x is. Let's say a power 2x is 2, then it is 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. If it is 4, 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1. It is always 2 lesser than 2 lesser than the denominator. For example, 3 by 5, 7 by 9, 1 by 7 by 9, or 10 by 12, whatever. Right. So, and a power 2x itself is continuously increasing function, right? So what does that mean? This one, the numerator is something like this. Sorry, numerator is something like this. It is always 2 lesser than the denominator. This is the denominator, red one, and numerator is this one. Okay. Obviously, because denominator is always greater than the numerator, and as we go towards the right, the fraction will approach 1. So, for example, 1 by 3, then 2 by 4, 3 by 5, likewise like this, 100 by 102. As we increase these numbers, as we increase x, as we move towards the right, both numbers will become very close to each other, and this fraction approaches 1. And this is always continuously increasing. Right. Similarly for negative numbers also. Similarly for negative numbers also. So that's why we are clear that this fraction is continuously increasing. As we are increasing, um, we are increasing x, this one is also continuously increasing, and this one are same. And this function itself, a power 2x, is continuously increasing. And so that's why this minus 1 by this plus 1 is always continuously increasing. So here it is not asked whether it is increasing or not, but whenever we are asked about inverse, we should be careful that the function is 1 1 basically. That is, it is continuously increasing in a given domain. Right, guys? Thank you.